Video, we are going to discuss magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. According to Bohr's atomic theory, electrons revolve around a nucleus. If we consider a hydrogen atom, then in case of hydrogen atom, electron revolves around the nucleus. Since hydrogen has only one electron, it means that one electron is revolving around the nucleus. Let m be the mass of the electron and r be the radius of circular path and v be the speed of the electron. If we consider that electrons is moving in this direction, this is the direction of motion of the electron, it means that current will flow in opposite direction of this motion of this electron. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हाइड्रोजन न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड हम लोग एक करंट लूप कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. ध्यान दीजिए कि हाइड्रोजन न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चक्कर लगा रहा है. इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या है? चार्ज है. चार्ज मोशन में है, राइट. अब चार्ज मोशन में है तो उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? करंट फ्लो करेगा. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हर एटम के अराउंड एक क्या है? करंट लूप है. और करंट लूप है तो उसका क्या होगा? अपना मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट होगा. तो जस्ट वी आर टेकिंग अ सिंपल हाइड्रोजन एटम, दिस इज इट्स न्यूक्लियस एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज रिवॉल्विंग, राइट. इलेक्ट्रॉन इस तरीके से कर रहा है. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में करंट, तो करंट इस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो करेगा. ये करंट लूप बन रहा है, राइट. नाउ करंट इज हाउ मच? I equal to Q by T. Now I equal to Q by T and Q is E by T. Now T equal to 2 pi R upon V. टाइम कितना होगा? पाथ लेंथ अपॉन वेलोसिटी. तो 1 upon T इक्वल टू V अपॉन 2 pi R. तो I इक्वल टू EV अपॉन 2 pi R. Now how we define magnetic moment? Magnetic moment of a loop, M equal to current in the loop into area of the loop, right. M equal to EV upon 2 pi R into the area of the loop. इस लूप का कितना एरिया होगा? पाई R square. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. M equal to EV R by 2. This is the expression for the magnetic moment. Now, we know that angular momentum L equal to mv R. ठीक है. Now, VR equal to L by M. Small m here, I have taken capital M for the magnetic moment, small m for the mass of the electron. Now, this substituting the value of VR here, what we will get? As m was equal to EV R by 2, then substitute the value of VR from here. M equal to E L by 2M. ठीक है, वी आर जब क्या रखी है हमने L by M and E by 2 as it is. ठीक है, in vector form equal to minus E vector L by 2M. This minus sign indicates that magnetic moment and angular momentum both are in opposite direction. Now, L equal to NH upon 2 pi. M equal to E by 2M NH upon 2 pi. M equal to NEH upon 4 pi M. This is the magnetic moment of the electron, where N equal to 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash. When N equal to 1, M equal to EH upon 4 pi N. Okay. This is called as Bohr magneton. And this Bohr magneton is defined as the magnetic moment associated with electron in first orbit of hydrogen atom due to its orbital velocity. Right. Now substitute the value of E, H, 4, pi and M. What we will get? Now substituting the value of E, H, pi and M, we will get M equal to 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square. Now what will be the direction of magnetic moment in a loop? Look here, if any loop, in a loop, if this is the direction of the current, then curl your finger in the direction of the current, then this thumb will show the direction of magnetic moment. If current is flowing in this direction, magnetic moment will be in this direction. If you are reversing the direction of the current, the direction of magnetic moment will also reverse. Means curl your fingers, right hand fingers, in the direction of current. Then thumb will show the direction of magnetic moment. ठीक है?